I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do color trading with Telegram. First, understand that color trading involves predicting the next color in a sequence on a trading platform. These platforms often use colors like red, green, or violet. Telegram channels frequently offer signals and guidance to help members place their bets, making it a popular strategy due to its simple gameplay and fast results. However, it's important to be aware of the inherent risks involved. To get started, you'll need to find a suitable Telegram channel. Look for groups that have active administrators and transparently share their past results. It's crucial to be cautious of channels that promise 100% accuracy or guaranteed profits, as no trading system can assure such outcomes. Many channels offer free signals, with some also providing paid VIP groups that claim higher accuracy. Always verify the channel's credibility before joining. Once you've joined a channel, you'll begin executing trades. The channel admin will post signals, guiding you on which color to bet on, usually red or green, for a specific round. You'll then place your bet on the trading platform. It's highly recommended to start with small amounts, perhaps $1, to manage your risk effectively. Some strategies involve multiplying your bet after a loss to recover, but always exercise caution. It's vital to understand that color trading is a high-risk activity, akin to gambling, and outcomes are often unpredictable. There is no guaranteed method for consistent profits, so never invest more money than you can comfortably afford to lose. Always set a budget and stick to it. For an enhanced reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other deals, in the description below. Remember to stay informed and prioritize responsible trading practices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.